Hello, and yes, voice reveal. Anyways, today we're going to be playing VP Swarm Simulator. This is a classic game I used to play when I was younger. I really don't know what to do for today's video, you know? So if you guys could give me any ideas on what to do, please send them in the comments, because I have no idea what I'm supposed to do for Peace One. Like, I just have no ideas. So it'd be really helpful if you guys could, Also, you guys want to see my hive here? Sure, I'll show you my guys. You guys. See this? This is my hive. It's full of legendaries. Don't ask why. I just want a full thing of legendaries at this point. Anyways, so I think we might end the video here since I have no ideas. Leave your ideas down in the comments. Okay, bye.